Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm from Barinze Chuku, and I'm with the one and only. Right, so we are here today to present to you IRI-JI Festival for ICSN. This is 25th anniversary. You know, 25 years. No be child's play. Already here.
25 days.
Afambo, His Royal Highness Egwu Christopher Emeka Ejiofor.
Omoabo Nzedon Nze Umweri onye ndị Nze na London, onye nke nwe Net4 Radio London, Igbo Radio in the UK.
Gịnị ka IRI-JI mean to you?
IRI-JI awụ m onye ndị Israel. IRI-JI bụ oge anyị na-asị Chukwu okike abịa ama daalụ na anyị jere n'ubi kọọ ubi kọọ ji kọọ ihe niile anyị na-akọ anyị anwụghụ.
The plan here is to make sure that the Igbo community can come together and make sure that we can actually build something strong and unity, come together, be able to be brothers, at least to be able to grow. So that's the message for today, guys.
It's the first time that I've actually come to IRI-JI and it's actually sold out fully beforehand.
I'm you.
Point and kill kind of here.
Also no point thank you.
I'm very privileged to be, at this era, at this time, to be here with my deceased. The woman that makes me smile all the time. You don't see her. Yeah. I mean, you've seen the brochure, yeah? The whole lot of our brothers have their deceased now, you feel me? From ICSN.
How you feeling about the event? Do you go to like Igbo events regularly? Is that your thing?
Not as often as I would like to go. I haven't been to this event in a few years, so I'm excited to be here. I think everyone looks great. The event looks really well organized, so yeah, it should be a good night.
What are you looking forward to tonight, darling?
Eating food.
Eating food? Yeah?
For you to the world, my message is na suni Igbo. Make you no sure. Now I identify with your culture. All very important.
But Queen, Hey.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, enyimba, master.
Toya dike, nenu dike.
Zora baswa, zoro nyogene. Ewe, munemo. Ewe, aye. Get him. Aina sufune no gene, ina mean. Jifurani chudengene, ina mean. Adire limeli kudene, ina mean. Ibo boy fresh to the socks, ina I'm saying. Aina sufune no gene, ina mean. Jifurani chudengene, ina mean. Adire limeli kudene, ina mean. Ibo boy polo to the socks, you know what I'm saying?
Waka for by you, hey. Unanu kwalo gene, wake wapo de by you. Anu magene, kere, tami, emere be you gene. I kere, tami, emere be you gene.
For champagne, but tell them up me. We will win for the bunch of me. He can watch a zoro, no fake and address him. I get tantalizer for appetizer. She did more fembolaria. Kiss be taking vocal, or never keeping the local. My people is a limo JZ, living me feel like a hover. Me, my little man, and the social. More music taking the oven, bring your sickest rappers. Sum it up, beach up on the total. But wakana, it's a day come wakana. You two moon, what the muddy shop, Kabiro, and I'm what you take any of them, Doina, Dupani, Mebem, Zinka, Mozinka, Kaman, and Juna, Juni, Mebem, and why find Cholo.
Not this next year, you're getting our invite now. Always in October, yeah? See you guys next year. Thank you for coming. And we appreciate you guys.